Hey guys, welcome back to another morning. We have a beautiful morning in Ohio right now. Today we are going to be shooting another competition. It is early in the morning right now. It is 7 o'clock. So shooting starts around 8:30, about 3 hours. Forget how many stages there are. I think there's 4 or 5, but I might be wrong. So it's gonna be a fun day. Buddy's gonna be out there. Today I'm shooting with the Walther PDP Pro. And I'm using the new DJI Nano, so that's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna see how that is and tell me how you think it is as well too. So it's gonna be a fun day. We have an hour drive. Let's get started.
What now? Oh yeah. No, I didn't. I've never seen it with the two penalties locked down, and I'm like trying to.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by.
Yeah.
Clear, set forward, camera down, holster.
3701.
2 out.
That looked good.
It felt pretty good.
Yeah.
What's the damage?
Boom.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's not
Did I have
bad.
any misses? Or I had a miss.
Yep.
Which one did I miss on? Was it
over here somewhere?
Okay. All right.
It might have been the tuxedo. I don't remember.
What was it? 3?
Is there a black one in the tux? Yeah, right
Ah.
there. Yep. No penalty, Mike.
That's good. That's good.
Cover. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready. Stand by.
All right. If you are finished, unload, show clear, slide down, holster. Range is clear.
Not good. 1 something. 1-7.
Misses.
Yep. Missed that one.
Forgot to shoot.
Yep. I was running perfectly fine.
So hard to remember.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Ready. Stand by.
Gosh. Nope. Don't have an extra one. Yep.
All right. If you're finished, unload, show clear. Slide down, holster.
Dang it.
It's all right.
No, I didn't load this one.
Why didn't you load that one?
I forgot to.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready. Stand by. All right. If you're finished, manage your ammo.
Do I reload here and walk
Yeah.
up? Okay.
Reloaded here.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If you were finished, I'm gonna clear. Slide forward, come down, holster.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. Hammer down.
3183.
3-1. No, 3138.
I'm happy with that.